Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and in the news this week we have, of course, a big warning from AT&T, a massive data breach that exposes the call logs of 109 million customers. It's pretty amazing. So they, of course, notified the law enforcement, and it was stolen from what is their Snowflake account, apparently. So it contains company logs, basically. Contains your phone number if you're a customer. So telephone numbers of AT&T wireless, wireline customers and customers of other carriers. Telephone numbers, which AT&T and MVNO wireless numbers interacted. There's a number of calls and text messages sent. There's aggregate call during a day, for a day or a month, and subset records, one for or more cell site identification numbers. So it doesn't seem to contain any personal info in the sense that, the text messages are not being read or the calls are not being monitored. It's really just phone numbers and interactions that users had. It's still a massive problem. What could bad guys be doing with that kind of information? Mostly I would see here is some bad guy pretending to be AT&T and calling you and trying to lure you into doing things you shouldn't do. So I think that's where it really is, the security breach. Do not believe any AT&T people that would be calling you. If you do get a call, I think what you should do is call AT&T yourself with the phone number you have, and not, of course, give any payments of anything or permissions to, do anything with your devices. I think that's the safe way to be. For the rest, since there's no, from what they say, no personal information from text messages and all, I think it's a limited data breach. But still, kind of wondering, how they could get all of that information. And once again, we can't trust companies with our personal info. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.